Weight loss vegetable salad recipes. Health is supreme wealth. The secret of health lies upon way of right eating, especially the raw food diet and uncooked foods. Raw foods ensure lasting good health, vitality and disease-free system. Cooked vegetable foods are devitalizing in nature. Deep-fried and roasted food cause stomach problems, acidity, hyperacidity, constipation and may stimulate carcinogenic factor in the body system. So, one should opt raw food lifestyle. Salads are one of the options that are full of health benefits. Salads for slim body. Ingredients: grated carrot, 50 grams, grated cucumber, 50 grams, chopped capsicum, 5 grams, chopped apple, 30 grams, orange, 10 grams, raisins, 50 gram, coriander leaves, grated jaggery, 500 grams, jeera powder, 5 grams, salt and pepper to taste. Method of preparation: mix all the ingredients properly and eat them in the fresh form. Now I will tell you benefits and importance. It helps to make you slim and trim. It is go for obesity patients and obese one. It increases your vitality.